I first started working with Annexa Group when I joined REA about 10 years ago, and at that time I was responsible for rolling out the overall NetSuite program.
We know that NetSuite is a great ERP tool. We know that it manages month-end and general ledgers and revenue. The value we see with Annexa is in solving some of our complex business problems.
Back at the time, REA was running multiple databases. We're taking most of the month to do our monthly reporting, and we had it set out to have an ambitious program to overhaul our processes at the time and making sure that we were fit for scale.
So we completed a review of implementation partners in the market. We really felt an immediate connection with the Annexa team.
REA were really clear with what they were trying to achieve. They came to us with a list of functional requirements. I believe there was about 30, and they effectively said to us, could you solve these problems? Walk us through how you would handle these scenarios and how you would approach being able to meet these requirements.
In our original go live, it was viewed as a like-for-like replacement. However, we now see NetSuite as the tool to solve complex business challenges.
There's been multiple milestones and major change initiatives that we've embarked on during the last 10 years. Some of the more notable ones have been our various offshore acquisitions that we have partnered closely with Annexa on.
To me, the benefit of the relationship with Annexa is that they provide the technical leadership to our team to ensure that we get the most out of the NetSuite platform. A couple of the solutions that we've delivered is an automated CapEx module that tracks and records our staff working on our software projects. And even a more simple example is Annexa built us a great integration between NetSuite and Slack, which allows us to nudge our employees regarding notifications of journals to approve or purchase orders to review.
Annexa have brought together what I believe has been a true partnership. Their willingness and drive to understand our needs and to understand our business. The big change obviously coming to all of us at the moment is in the AI world. And Annexa are already bringing thoughts, ideas to the table to partner with us to coming up with innovative solutions along the way, not just rolling out the basics.
I think Annexa brings a great track record to REA, and they've shown over the course of our partnership that they're able to deliver for us.
There isn't too many other businesses in this side of the world that have achieved what REA have been able to achieve. I'm really proud of our involvement and the technology that sits behind REA to help them do that. I think we pinch ourselves when we sit back and see the success that REA has achieved and the fact that our technology has played a key role in enabling them to do that.